Feeling stressed and looking for a natural way to relax? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and soothing moringa tea for stress relief. And if you want to enjoy the benefits of moringa in an easy supplement form, don't forget to check out Moringa Magic Supplement. The link is in the description below. To make this calming tea, you'll need 1 teaspoon of dried moringa leaves or moringa powder, 1 cup of hot water, and a little honey or lemon if you like extra flavor. Simply add the moringa leaves to hot water and let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you're using moringa powder, just stir it in well. Then strain, sweeten with honey if you'd like, and your stress-relieving tea is ready. Moringa is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that not only boost your energy, but also help your body manage stress naturally. Drinking moringa tea can calm your mind, support relaxation, and even promote better sleep. And if you don't always have time to prepare tea, you can still enjoy these amazing benefits with Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a quick and convenient way to get the same stress-relieving, health-boosting properties of moringa every single day. Check out the link in the description below. So, next time stress comes knocking, brew yourself a cup of moringa tea and let nature do the magic. And remember, for a simpler option, grab your bottle of Moringa Magic Supplement link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.